Alright, I believe this is part 4. Part 4 of our algebra notes here. See, I wrote it really nice and big after watching some of my videos. I noticed that you have to watch it full screen in order to see it, which you should be able to see this. It's really big, so it should be good. So just moving on, once again, the main thing you focus on is when you look at these problems, don't look at them like, oh my gosh, look how many x's and variables and exponents and numbers. It's just like overwhelming. You just got to focus on factoring your numbers first, your expressions, in order to start canceling stuff out. Things that stand out to you here would be your division signs, right? You need to make sure that when you see these division signs, you've got to flip your expressions in order to solve the equation properly. Alright, so here we go. So if I factor this out, this is a leading coefficient of 1, so I know I'm just going to go straight to my two parentheses. X is in the front of each parenthesis. What times what gives me 15? Adds to give me 8. And that would be a plus 3 plus 5. Down here, I know I have 2 common in each terms, as well as an x. So I can pull 2x up front, which leaves me with x plus 1. Okay, why don't we do this? Let's go ahead and rewrite these right now to where it's multiplication. So we're going to rewrite this part to multiplication. Alright, that means we have to flip this expression. So do it one at a time here. So x squared plus x minus 20 is now on the bottom. And then on top is going to be x minus x to the third. And I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it with the x to the third going first. So it should be negative x to the third plus x. Because we always want our leading coefficient to be the greatest, right? The greatest degree. So 3 and then 1, so 3 goes first. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to factor these now. So this becomes 2 parentheses, leading coefficient of 1, so go directly with my x's. What times what gives me negative 20? Adds give me 1. Well, that would be a plus 5 and a negative 4. Up here, I can pull out a negative x, which will in turn create this positive, which is x squared, and make this a negative 1. Now, what happened here? X squared minus 1, can we go further with that? Yeah, we can factor that out. It's the difference of perfect square. So up here is going to be x plus 1, x minus 1. Alright, last one. Once again, we've got to change division to multiplication because we can't divide fractions. And we're going to flip these. So, let's see here, x squared plus 2x minus 3 will go on the bottom. And then on top now is going to be 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Alright, so now after we rewrote the expression here, flipped the numbers or the expressions on from top to bottom, bottom to top, now we go and factor it again. So let's factor the bottom one first, it's the easiest one. Go directly to 2 parentheses, x in front. What times what gives me negative 3, and what add to give me 2? That would be, what is that again? X plus 3, x minus 1? Yeah. So x plus 3, x minus 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 plus negative 1 is 2. On top, this was going to take a little extra work. You'll have to use the Kung Fu method. I'm not going to show all the work here just because of room. But you'll do 2 times negative 12, drop the a, replace the c, factor like normally, bring back the a into the numbers, and divide and simplify. So what you should get after doing that work, you will get x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. Alright, so now we've gone through and factored everything and put it where it's supposed to be. So now we can start to look at it as canceling stuff out. So I'm going to start at the top and look for an x plus 3 in the bottom. Do I see one? Yeah, down there. So I know that x plus 3 and x plus 3 will cancel out. X plus 5. Do I see this in the bottom? Yep. Cancel it out. We're all the way up here with x plus 1, x minus 1. So x plus 1, I see 1 down here as well. So those cancel out. X minus 1, oh, see that down here too. Alright, moving right along here. X minus 4, oh, see that too. We're, what, 4 from 4 now? 5 5? What are we? 5 5. And then 2x plus 3. I do not see a 2x plus 3 down here, so that will stay. And my final answer is going to be 2x plus 3 on top, all over 2x. Ta-da.
Taylor Frederick.